stone is manufactured in a way that mimics the process in which stones are formed in nature, with minerals and stone particles bonded together under extreme heat and pressure. The advanced technologies that are used to create sintered stone effectively reduce porosity in the material and enhance properties such as hardness, compressive strength, and abrasive resistance. Made in Italy, Lapitec is a full-body sintered stone that is composed of 100% minerals. In fact, Lapitec is the world's only certified sintered stone. Lapitec large format sintered stones measure 3.3 by 1.5 meters, but have a mere thickness of 12 mm. Their large size make them ideal for countertops and countless other interesting applications. Lapitec is a full-bodied sintered stone that is identical throughout. This means that when the edges are fabricated for worktops, it remains identical in color and decoration. Lapitec sintered stone allows you to create exceptional tactile sensations in your kitchen and around your home. Popular finishes include lux, which gives the slab surface a high gloss look, and satin, a refined finish that is soft to the touch. If you're looking for non-slip flooring, then you can consider Lithos. It is made using a micro-bush hammering technique that reduces slipperiness.